I'm Ross, Middletown Trading, and today I wanted to talk about buying gold, testing gold, and things to do to avoid getting a fake piece of gold. I would say if you ever want to be 100% sure, there's a really crazy chemical test. If you want to be basically sure, this is a cool, it's called the RS Mizar, the M24. And it always helps when you have large men looming over you when you're doing whatever you're doing. But so the way that you do this gold slush, I've already put this in, but you put 3 drops into that well. And we've already had a gold chain here, this gold chain that is in pieces. This was a bit of a gamble. We got this prior to buying the gold machine, but we got it at such a low price that we thought that we'd take a risk. And if it was, I'll tell you one thing that I found about owning a pawn shop, if it's too good to be true, it's probably not true. So I'm sure you get like a unicorn, but most of the time, if you get something for not enough money, it's probably something wrong with it. Well, the way to use this, you need to clean off the gold here. And this actually tests, depending on where you test it, as real because it's plated. And I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about some things that are some red flags for when that's going to happen. But you clean it off. This would be white gold, so you do press the white gold test button. There will be, right now it's going at 22 karat. That's from the last test. So you clamp it with these electrode deals here. Wait till that goes off. You're going to put it in the solution, and it says testing, and it says not gold. Now, I have tested this at different points, and and it does have gold. I believe it's gold plated. And some red flags with jewelry. So right now, a 14 karat necklace like this, of this size and weight, I mean, you're probably talking about $1,000, $2,000 just at a gold value. So it's expensive. So when you see things, and it's going to be really hard to see, but gold will be marked. This says 14 karat, but it's just done. Everything. There's some things about this chain that are very much. I'd say the way that this is printed, that's a red flag. That's, if you're going to take the time to make something that's worth that much, you're probably going to stamp it with something better than that. Another red flag, the ancillary stuff on quality jewelry will also not be rusted. Like this rusted clasp, that would be a very cheap clasp. Or not a clasp, but this would be too cheap for a real 14 karat necklace. And then if you think something's plated and you're buying it for gold weight, just cut it or break it and test the inside of it. Like I said, this chain would actually test at certain points as real, but when you get into the guts there and you start looking, it doesn't look like gold. It's a pot metal. That's how you find out.